Molecule. A molecule is a neutral group of atoms joined to form covalent bonds. And a diatomic molecule is a molecule that contains two atoms. So a few examples, we have chlorine, nitrogen, and hydrogen. And there are a few more. I'm going to give them to you. So Cl2, N2, H2, O2, Br2, I2, and F2. So if you see, it's the halogens and nitrogen, hydrogen, and oxygen. If we look at this picture here, we have the water molecule, we have the oxygen diatomic molecule, and here we have the sucrose molecule. And I can tell all of these are molecular, right? They're made of nonmetals. Now, molecular compounds. A molecular compound is a compound composed of molecules. A chemical formula indicates the relative numbers of atoms of each kind in a chemical compound by using atomic symbols and numerical subscripts. Molecular formula, the chemical formula of a molecular compound. It shows how many atoms of each element a substance contains. So for example, we looked at the first one. We have H2O. And we know these subscripts here tell us how many atoms of each element we have. So in this case, we'd have 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. So we'd have a total of 3 atoms. We look at this one, we had 4 carbons, 10 hydrogens, to give us a total of 14 atoms. Now this is where it can get a little bit tricky here. So if we look here and we look at, first off we have a 3 here, so we have 3 magnesiums. Now, just like math, anytime there's a number outside a parenthesis, we need to distribute that to each term inside the parenthesis. So this 2 will go to each element. So 2 times 1 is 2, so we have 2 phosphorus. And 4 times 2 is 8, so we have 8 oxygen. Now, if we add all 3 of these together, we will have 13 atoms. And that concludes our video on molecules.